Welcome back. Today we're getting the welding all dressed, finished off on this one, and there's a few other bits and bobs we're getting done along the way. Stay tuned and I'll show you what I've done. Come here then. Welcome back. So bit of an ordeal really for the sake of one patch. It's not like stretched out over 3 episodes. I mean it just hasn't quite worked out as the way I planned it. Been so busy doing just other things, just life gets in the way, you know. This one's just a quick short video this week, just to keep the content rolling out. Trip to Blackpool was fantastic, thank you very much. As you know, we headed out to Blackpool for the weekend with the Honda. I'm pleased to say that it made it there and back in one piece. No faults, didn't flacker once. Absolutely mint, well over the moon. Nice relaxing weekend, and we have the time. So, as you can see with this, what we're getting done, I've bashed some etch primer over. Really? I've bashed some etch primer over under the arch there, just fill it out just to try and get something for the key to start to protect it. I've also whacked some etch primer on the inside there before I've put some seam sealer over it. Show me videos up now, here or there, I don't know, I'm beside. I've whacked a load of stone chip over the outside and dressed it. As you can see, I don't think it looks too bad. Tie my black bash, a little bit of colour over there. Unfortunately, I haven't actually got any of the ceramic blue to put over there at the moment. I might toss it over with a little bit of black just to protect it for now. I've brushed a load of seam sealer on the inside here, just to seal it basically. Any tiny little pinpricks or anything like that, you want to get them sealed up, you know, and get that all sorted out. What else have we done this week? Let's think. Yeah, finally getting round to getting my coil pack brackets painted. For those of you who follow us on Instagram or Facebook, you'll know that I've had a bit of an issue with the compressor. I've managed to get the new compressor up and working, absolutely over the moon with it. As you can see, I had to put a new motor on the compressor. That's what happens when you go to buy things and you don't have your glasses on. Don't see that it's actually a 3-phase compressor and motor. So yeah, we've whacked a new motor on the compressor. Got it from Machine Mart, wasn't too bad. Had the compressor run up, everything works absolutely fantastic as it should do. However, when I bought it, the gauge was smashed. So I've just got a little bolt in there for now, just hold it out until I get a gauge sent through so I can see where we're at. But other than that, I'm absolutely over the moon. It's much quieter than the other one. It holds a hell of a lot more air. As you can see, it's a lot bigger tank and builds up pressure a lot better. So it's a million times better for actually running the sandblaster. What I've done is I've made a couple of small modifications to the sandblaster just to help it out. Yeah, I'll apologise for the lights flickering. I believe it's the LED, the frequency of it. As you can see, I've changed the aggregate that I've got inside there. That was the light there, so you can imagine as you're looking in there, your light's here along the back, which creates like a shadow here where you're working. So what I've done is, I've added, hold on, let's have a look. I've added another light along the inside there, so now when I'm working I don't get a shadow and I can actually see what I'm doing. The new aggregate in here, crushed glass, it's a bit more coarse and it doesn't strip the crap in the crud back, put it that way. So yeah, that's that. As I say, a couple of small modifications to it, nothing major, but it all helps. Oh, and on top of that, as you can't really see from here, strips of film on there. What it is it's 3M getting the plastic sheets. You get these plastic sheets when you get the machine new. It's to protect your perspex screen. And these I'm down to my last 2, and I was getting a bit worried and I couldn't find any on eBay anywhere to buy. So what I've ended up doing is actually getting this, which is it's like a wing mirror protector, 3M wing mirror protector, and it's like a sticky clear plastic basically. I've stuck 3 strips of it over. Absolutely fantastic. It's done a wonderful job. I kind of wish I'd done it from the start, and then I wouldn't have had this gap all the way around, because I could have covered the whole thing in this sticky stuff, and it would have saved the perspex from wearing. As it is now, once this is peeled off, and I've used it a few times, we're nearly at the point, I mean, that's as clear as it gets now. Hold on. Yeah, that's as clear as it gets, you can see, but it is starting to get cloudy already. See how it's sandblasted the glass. So yeah, what I'll do eventually, I'm going to have to replace this perspex here. But other than that, done absolute wonders. I'm well over the moon with it. And I must say that it does an absolutely fantastic job. I've been able to get the brackets painted. Yeah, what else have we done this week? Yeah. On top of that, I've managed to get a lawnmower serviced this week. Basically, that's my full-time job. I service tractors and lawnmowers. I do tractors and lawnmowers. So I've managed to get a little service done on one of them. I didn't bother filming because I didn't think it would be anything you guys would be interested in. If you are, drop a comment below. You know, I might do a video on one time just to show you how to do them. I don't think it's hard interested in it though. Other than that, yeah, I've just been basically living life up, trying to sort of kick back a little bit, you know. But we will resume very soon. I think from here on in, I think the next video I'll probably be building the speaker pods for the doors. I've worked with a plan for how I can get the best of both worlds out of that. So that should be quite interesting. So that I'm planning on that being the next video, unless something else breaks in between now and then, which you never know. On the 2 cars, could be very likely. So yeah, that's it. I believe that's pretty much all we've got. Just like to thank you for watching. If you like what you've seen, like this sort of content, then give us a thumbs up, let us know you like it. If not, then again, sorry for wasting your time. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, because it really does make a difference. And I believe as of this video, we are so close to pushing on 100 subscribers. Just a small milestone, but a milestone nonetheless. So yeah, until next time, thanks for watching. We'll see you again. See you later.